Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to be making an easy but yet very delicious recipe. We're going to be making the Nigerian egg roll. Let's make it, shall we? First, in a bowl, we're going to add our flour. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Then we're going to add in our salt, baking powder and sugar. Give this a quick stir to combine. Then goes in our margarine. Make sure your margarine is very cold as it will enable us get the breadcrumb texture which is needed for this recipe, and it would also make the dough very soft at the end. Once the dry ingredients are combined, add in the wet ingredients, so the egg, milk, and mix it till well incorporated. Let me take this moment to say thank you very much for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. This helps my video and my channel grow. As you can see, I'm using my hands now because once you're done with the spatula, you have to go in with your hands and mix and fold the dough till it comes together. Wrap this with a plastic sheet and set in the fridge for 30 minutes to cool. I already boiled some eggs. When your dough has rested for 30 minutes, bring it out and cut in pieces and put in your palms. Then we are going to spread this flat on our palms, placing the egg in the middle just the way I am doing here. And you're going to roll this and cover and fold the egg with the dough. Once you've wrapped the egg with the dough, we're going to place this into the hot oil and fry it on each side for 4 minutes or until golden brown. And you're going to remove these and let them sit and cool. And voila! Your egg rolls are ready. Side notes, I would advise that you do not wrap all the eggs with the dough except you are ready to fry it. So once your batch is full in the pot, then you can put the remaining dough in the fridge and always take them out so that you don't have the butter melt. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. See you in my next video. Bye bye.